With Title Icon, you can place an icon in front of your column header. All you have to do is flip the switch. Using the first empty box at the top left, you can also remove the icon. The available icons originate from the font Awesome font. Web developers among you probably know it. It is often used for the design of websites. In the search field above the icon, you can search for keywords. For example, if you type chart here, you will see all icons related to charts. If you type user, you will get icons regarding people. Using the arrow keys, you can also browse the icon collection page by page. Just click on the icon you like and it will be displayed in the column header. In the drop-down Icon Color, you can change the color of the icon. The hex code for the icon color is displayed in the field below. I would like to see my icon in orange, so I simply select the desired color. With Icon Position, you indicate where the icon should be displayed, at the very beginning or at the end of the column. Title Horizontal Alignment Mode determines how the column header should be aligned. In Auto Mode, the Vizlib Table determines the alignment, but if you switch to Custom Mode, you can set the alignment yourself. You can align the title to the left, center, or to the right. Title coloring determines the colors in your column header, both the text color and the background color. In Auto Mode, this is controlled by the Vizlib Table, but if you switch to Custom, you can set the background and text colors yourself. I will change the background color to blue and the text color to white. Under Title Text Color and Title Background Color, you'll also find a field each to determine the corresponding color in hex format.